Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can insert or embed a video from YouTube to your presentation on Google Slides, for example, to give your presentation more professional touch through for example, a tutorial video on YouTube. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now doing this is actually super simple. You can do that, for example, by selecting your slide in the first step here on the left-hand side from your presentation. And let me go, for example, with that slide here. So what you want to do, guys, is click on Insert here at the top and select Video from that menu here. What you want to do after that is head over to YouTube here instead of Google Drive and use that search bar here at the top to search for your favorite video on YouTube to embed it. Alternatively, simply head over directly to YouTube and pick any video you like. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will go with that video here by Graham Stephan. So let's say you would like to embed it to a business related presentation. All you will need to do is right click on it on the video, select copy video URL from that drop down menu, head back to your presentation and paste the given URL here in the search bar, press enter on your keyboard, select the video below with your left mouse and confirm by clicking on Insert here. And in the last step, guys, simply position your video anywhere you like in your presentation. For example, here or there, adjust its position and its size, just like that. And you will be given the opportunity to play the video in your presentation by clicking on that play button here. And you will see also a short overview of the video playback here on the right hand side, along with some customization features like the starting point, the ending point, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.